In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Beehiiv with WordPress. This is a fantastic way to streamline your email marketing efforts and manage your content more effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First off, you'll want to make sure that you have both a Beehiiv account and a WordPress website set up. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and create an account on Beehiiv and set up your WordPress site. Alright, once you have both of those in place, you can move on to the next steps. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Beehiiv account. After you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see options that will allow you to manage your subscriptions, create newsletters, and so much more. It's a pretty user-friendly interface. Just take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. Next, look for the Settings or Integrations option. Depending on the updates Beehiiv has made, this could look a little different. You're specifically looking for an option that mentions integrations or WordPress. Once you've found that, click on it. This might require you to generate an API key. An API key is basically a secure token that enables communication between your WordPress site and Beehiiv. Once you see the option to create or view your API key, go ahead and generate that. Make sure to copy it because you will need it in the next step. Store it in a safe place temporarily since it'll play a critical role in our integration. Now switch over to your WordPress site. Log into the WordPress dashboard. Take a moment to appreciate your dashboard. It's like the control center of your website. From the left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Plugins. Click on it, and you will be taken to the Plugins section. Here, you want to add a new plugin. Click on Add New, and then search for a plugin that integrates with Beehiiv. If you can't find one that explicitly states Beehiiv, don't worry. Look for one that offers email integration or a similar feature. There are quite a few plugins out there designed for this purpose. It can depend on community recommendations or popular choices. Once you've selected a suitable plugin, install it and then activate it. This usually only takes a couple of minutes. Once that's done, you will return to the plugin settings page. You'll likely see new options available now that you've installed the plugin. Find the section that asks for your API key. This is where you'll paste the key you generated from your Beehiiv account. Just take a moment to double-check that it's entered correctly to avoid any issues later on. Once you have pasted the key, look for a Save or Update button and click it. This step connects your Beehiiv account with your WordPress website. Now that integration is complete, let's set up your newsletter. Go back to your Beehiiv account. You'll find an option to create your first newsletter. Click on that. You can customize it with various templates and layouts that suit your branding and audience. Make sure to add compelling subject lines and eye-catching images to the newsletter. This will not only attract more readers, but also encourage audience engagement. Once you have it all set up and are happy with your newsletter design, look for an option that lets you publish or send it. And there you go. You've successfully integrated Beehiiv with WordPress. You now have a powerful combination for managing your newsletters and growing your audience over time. This integration streamlines your workflow and helps keep everything in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to subscribe and like the video. I'm excited to hear how this works out for you.